Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. It's super exciting news from Apex Trader Funding. I couldn't wait to make a video for you till tomorrow. So let's explore these new opportunities. This is like my wish granted right here. End of day drawdown. What does that mean? No more intraday trailing threshold. Hallelujah. As you can see, they are 90% off right now through the next 9 days. That's through next week, Tuesday. So you got plenty of time to check this out. So they made a lot of changes, and a lot of it is to hopefully bolster the people that are doing well and like following the rules and doing what they're supposed to do, and not have so many people that are trying to scam the system. Of course, people will always try to do that, but this is all designed to hopefully keep more of those people out and reward the people that are doing well. So let's scroll down and look at these infinite possibilities, as they say. So I really love this. Choose your funding path. It's like a choose your own adventure. So in this case, you can select either intraday trailing threshold, which is the normal trailing threshold that if you traded with Apex before, that's what you would be used to. But you can also select end of day trail, and you get to decide, do I want to pay a little bit less money and have the intraday trail, or do I want to pay like slightly more, less than $10 more, to have it end of day trail? So that's like the drawdown of the whole day. To me, that's worth every penny. So I would choose that. But again, totally based on your budget, of course. You can select your vendor, as always, Wealth Charts, Tradeify, or Rhythmic, and you can select your account size. So what you'll notice is that some of the account sizes are gone. Like they no longer have a 300K account. So they're really tightening up what they offer. So let's explore if we wanted to do this end of day trail on Rhythmic for, let's say, a 25K account. Minimum days to pass, 1. So that's awesome. If you get a great market move, that's fantastic. You have 4 minis, 40 micros. That's pretty standard. Same profit targets. So a lot of this is the same, but the type of drawdown is now going to be end of day because I've selected this over here. Hallelujah. So you would now, because it's calculated at the end of the day, you would have a daily loss limit. And obviously that would change based on, which account size you have. So for this little baby one, you get $500. Platform fees are included. That's the same as always. If we open this up, these are some new things. The one-time activation fee for the performance account would be similar to the lifetime fee that they had before. You just pay once and you're done. Great. You also have 7 days to pay for that account from the date that you pass the evaluation. You have to trade for at least 5 days. So that's better than what they had before, which was 8 days. Awesome. You still get 20 max accounts. Fantastic. These are the max contracts for that particular account size. You have $1,000 max drawdown on the PA account. And this is awesome too, because my other accounts that I trade over at Tradeify, those require a 20% consistency rate. And let's just say that's a little bit difficult. 50% gives you so much more room. So this is huge. Apex's used to be 30%. They've upped it to 50, which just gives you like more ability to maybe have like a great day in the market, but still not get penalized in the sense that you'd have to wait longer to get your payout. There's more flexibility. There's more room for variability within 50%, let's say, versus 20%. And this is something that I want to mention because it's very different than what was happening before. It's a one-time fee per evaluation account. There is no longer a subscription. So you can see they're not rebilling you at all. And the eval is only active for 30 days. So what you're going to want to do is consider, okay, like with what I'm generally consistent at making, what could I possibly pass in 30 days? Because this account will expire after 30 days. There are no resets. So what that means for a lot of you is that you might actually save a fair bit of money on what you're typically spending on resetting the account. And what I like about this, like no rebilling, no subscription whole business, is that it kind of automatically takes you off of the hamster wheel that, let's just say, some of us have gotten into with Apex at different times in our trading career. So it's a totally different way of going forward, but I think I like it. Right now, as I mentioned, these things are 90% off. So you can see these are less than $30. Let's just check out what some of these other options are. The 50K is $29.55. And again, this is with the end of day trail, so it'd be even less with the intraday. 100K right now is $44.55, and 150 is less than $60. So take a look. There's a link and coupon code down below. The coupon code is LUCRA, L-U-C-R-A. Let me know in the comments what you think about some of these changes, or if you are jumping into some of these new accounts. For those of you that have old accounts with Apex, like for me, I have a PA that I just recently passed last week. All that stuff stays. So anything that you have currently going, you'll still have that currently going. No problem. There's no change. This is just for the new accounts. And I think there's a lot of possibility, especially with this, as they are forcing you off the hamster wheel and basically just saying like, you're either going to pass it or you're not. And then you can decide what happens next. You're not going to be rebuild. You're not on a subscription. So like I said, I like a lot of these changes. We'll see how it all plays out as we go into it. Let me know how it goes for you. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.